All right, I'm going to show you how to set up an American DJ qa5x flat par. This is a great wash light, lots of application for stage and environmental. So I'm going to plug it in, kind of blinks a few times as it's booting up. So here, this is kind of what you see. It could be on any number of settings. This is just what happened to be on when I used it. So the blinking D means it's on DMX, which you would use for a controller. Blinking means it's not connecting or detecting any controller. So this is not going to be used for a controller. So you have 4 buttons: mode, setup, up, and then down. Mode is what's going to change your mode, and setup kind of changes things within that mode. So this is address, so you hit mode once. It says R109. So right now, this means that we've got kind of this is a manual palette. So what I can do is I can increase the R number, and you're going to get a little more red in the wash. You can also, this is green, G, blue, amber. So if you want to increase the green, you hit up, or you can just hit down and it'll go to the top, 255. Notice how it became like this yellow because it added more green. All right, so that's kind of like a manual setup when you see blue, different colors, kind of options. Usually it'll start on R. So that's what you'll see. Hit mode again. This is sound active. So as you tap it, it changes. You can hit up and down to change the numbers and kind of give it a different palette that changes as well. Next mode, auto fade. So this is on auto fade 11, which means 11 is a certain color. Like this one looks like red, pink, and then blue, and then kind of so on and so forth. Where you can change it, maybe auto fade 12 is now has a red, and then an orange and a yellow or something along those lines, kind of going that direction. You see how that works? Now if you hit setup, it'll say AJ, which is more of like a color blink. Notice how it's kind of blinking colors and not really fading. And then there's some other things, like that's the speed of the fade. Also, not sure exactly what setting this is. I think it's actually something you can't really adjust, but AF I find works well. Hit mode again. Colors, CL means color. So this is like just very easy color presets. So color 1 is red, color 2, green, color 3, blue, so on and so forth. I think there's like 15 possible combos, and 0 is off. Not sure what that really is used, never used it before. And then we're back to the address. So you got your address, your manual colors, sound active, auto fade, and then manual kind of color presets. Remember, if you hit the setup button a few times, it will change things. Like we said, sound active, you hit it a few times and you have kind of some different options on how quickly it changes. Auto fade will go to this kind of snap. So if you're kind of lost, just hit mode a few times. Usually you can find something, and then the setup might change some of those variables. Mostly you should just have to hit mode up and down to kind of get where you need to go.